All right, it is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It is about 75 degrees. It is about the most beautiful day you could ask for. Not a cloud in the sky. Well, okay, a couple little clouds make it look cool. And it's just beautiful. We're gonna do this loop, Snowbank Loop Trail, which goes all the way around Disappointment Lake and Snowbank Lake, obviously. It also stops at 3 or 4 other small lakes that we'll get to check out. And climbing over a tree here. Whoa. I don't remember the total, but we have 5.5 miles to hike today. Because it started late at 4 o'clock. We're gonna do 3 nights, 4 days. I'd originally planned to do this in 3 days, but I have an extra day, so I chopped it into 4 days. And it's 2 shorter walks then. So let's do it. See a mama grouse? I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm just gonna take your picture. She must have had some little ones. A bunch of others went flying off, and she's staying here to ward me off. And I bet it was her little babies that went fleeing off into the woods. Here we go, guys. Overlook number 1. That over there must be Snowbank Lake. Very nice. Looks like there's a series of beaver dams. Looks like there's another one right over there. Actually kind of a nice trail on top of this. A lot nicer than I anticipated. But it's hard to see because there's so much grass on top of it. No idea what I'm walking on. Beautiful. All right. I believe that's probably about my 3-mile mark. So, still got a ways to go. The red columbine is absolutely beautiful today. It's all over the place. Some good beaver marsh. Some beavers out here made some nice homes for themselves. Alright, we are at our first water crossing. And honestly, I don't even know where the trail goes from here. It looks like maybe right there. But I don't know. We're gonna try this. Here we go. This looks like the best option here. Ooh, these rocks are so slippery. Whew, I think we made it, folks. Let's see if this is the trail. Or, yeah, it looks like this might be the trail right here. Alright. We've made it across our first water crossing. Alright. We have reached campsite. And what a campsite it is. You can see Lake Bakun. I don't remember. Right behind me. And it is absolutely gorgeous. There's a fire pit right here. I'm going to sit right here and roast some brats tonight. Listen to the loons howl at each other. Doing some fishing. Over here, we got some not too great tent pads, but you know what? It makes up for the view. I got a good sleeping pad. It'll hide those roots, no problem. Bakusin. That's what it is. Lake Bakusin. Bakusin. I was practicing it all day, and then when I started recording, I couldn't remember. Bakusin. I finished eating my brats. I hung my bear bag right here, just ready to be hoisted up in the tree. Yeah, just kind of relaxing. I was just looking over at the lake, and it looks like it's like a mirror down there. Let's go check it out. All right.